a corner with no name, no hands to catch me when I fell. They call it fate, they call it shame, like I woke up and chose this hell. Cold nights, loud streets, learn to run, learn real quick who looks away. They say straight like it explains why nobody ever stayed. But I didn't pack these broken bones, didn't choose this fear inside. I didn't draw the short straw, no, I just learned how to survive. Stray is a word, not a choice, not a crime, not a voice. It's a label stitched by human hands on a life that did the best it can. I didn't choose to be alone, didn't choose these empty days. Stray is a word, not a choice, just a story gone untold this way. I've seen warmth through open doors, smelled dinners I could never reach. I've trusted once, maybe twice, learned what it costs to believe. They move me on, they cross the street, pretend I don't feel, don't know. But every tale still dares to hope for somewhere safe to go. If love was luck, I lost the draw. If home was earned, I tried, I didn't fail. The world just passed me by. Stray is a word, not a choice, not rebellion, not a voice. It's a shortcut for a longer truth. People don't want to face it. I didn't choose this hunger pain, didn't choose this endless wait. Stray is a word, not a choice, just love with nowhere safe. One day, hands don't push me away, they stay. One day, fear loosens its grip. I lay my head, I finally rest. Call me family, call me home, call me more than what I was thrown. Stray was a word, not my name, not my future, not my blame. I was always more than streets and scars, more than silence, more than dark. I didn't choose the life I knew, but I'll choose love if you do too. Stray is a word, not a choice. Hear me now, this is my voice. If you're listening, don't look away. Change the ending, change